GRP police intercepted a suspicious vehicle TR07G0226 at Belonia railway station, seizing several kilograms of cannabis and detaining one youth while 3 others fled. However, a massive controversy has erupted at the station after GRP and local police personnel were accused of accepting a bribe to release the detained drug smuggler.
Eyewitnesses claim Belonia Police SI Premjit Roy and IB official Nepal Nama arrived in plain clothes, huddled with GRP staff and the suspect, and subsequently allowed the suspect to sprint away after allegedly accepting a bribe. Both SI Premjit Roy and IB Nepal Nama have completely denied the charges, with the SI claiming he was only at the station to drop off his family. Local auto drivers and residents have questioned why local police interfered in a GRP jurisdiction case and are demanding a high-level inquiry into the suspected police smuggler nexus.
কতক্ষণ পরে আইবি সহ ওমা তারা ভিতরে ঢুকলো 1 ঘন্টা গাড়ির মতো কথাটা কইলো করার পরে এবার যখন সাংবাদিক আইছে সাংবাদিক এগুলো প্রাঞ্জিত স্যারও গেছে গাড়ি লিয়ে আসামিও ঘর থেকে নাই আইবিও গেছে এবং ডেইলি তোমার রাতে বেলা কানে লগাই দেখে সিরিয়াল গাজা আইয়ে কোনো বিচার না ধরা খায় না।
The drivers have openly accused the police of orchestrating the escape in exchange for a hefty financial transaction. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.